The Swedish language. About 10 million people speak Swedish, mainly in Sweden and also in parts of Finland. It's part of the Germanic language family, which means it's a distant cousin of English, German, and Dutch. Swedish is often described as a melodic, sing-song language with rising and falling tones that give it a musical rhythm. Is Swedish hard to learn? Not really. If you already speak English, Swedish will feel like learning a distant cousin's language. There are lots of familiar words and structures. Why learn Swedish? So you can sing along to ABBA with perfect pronunciation. Navigate IKEA furniture instructions with confidence. Impress people with your ability to say sjuksköterska. Or just because it's fun. And fika breaks are always encouraged. What does Swedish sound like? Imagine a language that dances up and down like it's on a linguistic roller coaster. That's Swedish. The rhythm and tone give it a musical feel. The Swedish alphabet is based on the Latin writing system, but it has 29 letters. The 26 letters of the Latin alphabet plus 3 extras. O, A, and Ö. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to Z. Then add O, A, Ö. Think of them as the VIPs of the Swedish alphabet. These are not fancy versions of A and O. They're totally different letters with their own sounds. O, A, and Ö take a bit of getting used to. But just make a sound like you're confused or slightly offended, and you're halfway there. The letter R is rolled. R, 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 and can take some time to master. But don't worry, you'll get it. Swedish has 9 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, I, Å, Ä, Ö. Each vowel can be long or short, and the difference can change a word's meaning completely. We're not going to worry about these too much, but I just want to show you some examples of long sound and short sound vowels. A, mat. Katt. U, mus. Sudd. Å, blå. Hålla. The quick rule is that long vowels usually are before a single consonant, and short vowels are usually before 2 consonants. Word stress and melody. Pitch accent made simple. So some Swedish words sound different depending on the pitch, even when they're spelled exactly the same. This is called pitch accent, and it adds a little melody to the language. There are 2 pitch accents. Accent 1, acute, which is a quick rise in the tone, and then accent 2, grave, like a double pulse or a fall and rise tone. Tone guide examples. Anden. Anden. Tomten. Tomten. Banan. Banan. So as you can see, the words are spelled exactly the same, but they mean different things, and it depends on the pitch accent. It's just a subtle change in tone or melody, and it's super common in Sweden. Context and pitch both matter. Oh, Mamma Mia.